Deon, I always try to focus. I mean, there's a natural pleasure that I experience, a delight, just from talking to you. I haven't spoken to you in such a long time. We're old friends from high school. We don't have to tell everybody how long ago that was. Yes, but
No, we don't want to age ourselves.
no, we don't have, you can, keep a little intrigue, keep them guessing. Yes. But we went to the wonderful Knox College.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Wonderful
Up on the
days.
hill.
Oh, up on the hill.
Cool.
Yes, the only place I experienced snow, or was it hail, in Jamaica.
Hail.
The only place. Yes.
It was hail.
Very cool. Yeah, it was hail. But you know what? We're talking about the experiences. We're talking about what you get out of it and so on. And I try to give people value. Now, I can talk about the value of repetition, the value of reflection, the value of trying to get the best out of losses to my students. I do that all the time.